Okay, sound speeds.
Camera A is rolling. Action.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Moda Fabrics United Notions brand new film studio. We're super excited, and I'm here with some of the people that are going to be in front of the camera as well as behind the camera. So all we need to know now is, what do you want to see from us? Do you want behind the scenes?
Apparel.
Blockheads.
How-tos.
Notions.
How about some sneak peeks?
What's new in books and patterns.
Quilt-alongs.
Designer videos.
Bloopers and mistakes.
Let us know in the comments below.
Bye. Nailed it. That was perfect.
Okay.
All right,
Take.
love it.
If I do say so myself.
It.
And cut.